Okay, hello everyone. This is Tony with Totalscape. We've run into a small problem here, and I'm going to try to correct it by replacing a part that goes to this hydrostatic pump. This is a hydrostatic pump on my Ferris Z1. It is time to change the pump oil, and in doing that I found out that the pump was leaking. So I got up under there and took a look at it. It's leaking from the lip seal that's just on the other side of this control arm. This control arm is what operates your forward and reverse. This is forward, and you see how the spring expands. This is reverse, your forward and reverse control arm. So this is a T40 hex screw that's connected to the inside of the pump. So what we're going to do is remove the remove the hex screw and take the entire control arm off, so we can get inside to replace that lip seal. So okay guys, here's where the oil seal, lip seal, is leaking. You can see the oil right at the bottom, brown looking residue that's right at the very bottom. So this seal needs to be taken out. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull this seal out and put a new one in there. Yeah, you can see that brown residue at the very bottom. So the oil is potentially just coming right out of there. So you can see it collecting. So time to get a new seal, put it all back together, and go ahead and change the filter and change the oil, pump oil, get all that done. She'll run like new. Yep. Okay, and there's the seal. This is the Hydro Gear, looks like part number 70853. This is a Z1 Ferris Z1 unit, and this is the HT3400 Hydro Gear pump. And in this packet you get a lot of part numbers, a lot of seals, O-rings and things, rings. And the one I use is the seal right here. It says lip seal 55232. So we've got our packet. That's how it looks. I've already cut it open, and like I said, I've already pressed the lip seal in. So I'm just gonna go ahead and start putting it back together. I also changed the pump oil. So I got the new hydro seal, the new Hydro Gear. So here's the new filter, new Hydro Gear filter. I ain't opened them yet, but I will. So we got two of those, and so we're just gonna start putting this thing back together so we can get it up and running. I'm also changing the oil, the motor oil. I've already changed, this is the old one. I've already changed the motor oil. So we're just gonna get it back up and running. Okay, what I'm showing you here is two bleeder valves. The silver bolts are your bleeder valves for your pump. So I want to show you when you're changing your pump oil, you want to see the oil come out. That will indicate that that your pump is full and you're at the correct amount of oil that's supposed to be in your pump. So just want to show you just a little bit this way. There it is. You see the oil coming out. So now it's time to tighten this up. Okay. So that's good. Our pump is full. So we can go ahead and tighten this up now. And we just take 11/16 wrench, but I use a socket and ratchet. Let's place it on here. Just like that. Okay, now it's time to do the purge. Purge the air out of the ZT3400 pumps. And to do that process, you need to have your unit up off the ground. I've actually got my back wheels off the ground right now. And this is actually a Ferris stand-on, so it's a little different from, the process isn't different, but this is a stand-on more. So I've got my jack stands under my unit, and I've got my unit up off the ground. So the purging process is to first make sure that your valves are open for your wheels. This one is in the open position right now. So you want to open your valves, make sure they're open. Then what we're going to do is start the unit, and we're going to use the forward backward motion on our levers. We're going to do that about 6 or 7 times here, forward and reverse, and then so that we can activate the oil in the hydrostatic in the pumps. So we're going to start the engine and let this process begin, and then we're going to close the valves in the back. After we do that, we're going to close these valves, and then we're going to do it we're going to go forward and reverse about 6, 7 more times while the axle turns. And this will complete the purging process. So let's go ahead and start up the engine. Okay, so we've already put everything back together now. I did do the purge. Got everything back together. All the pump oil is complete. Everything is full where it should be on your levels, and so it seems to be running pretty good. There's a picture of the ZT34 pump and the filter, the hydro filter. So we're back to putting the wheels on now and getting everything closed up.